welcome back to the channel, guys. As promised, we got some epic stuff coming for the truck, and some of it has arrived, and yeah, so we're gonna go over here, check out. We got some new parts. If you're an F100 guy, if you've got one, if you're considering one, this is basically a must-have upgrade. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so you know the F100, we just put the easy AFI. That's something, you know, just kind of keep it going until the supercharged Coyote, which there's the control pack for it right there, goes in the truck. But the interior was definitely needing some upgrades, and the first and foremost upgrade that we always do with these Coyote swaps is, of course, the gauges. All right, guys, so here it is. Guys, this is the brand new RTX F100 cluster from Dakota Digital, and we've already got everything laid out here. This is the original cluster. As you can see, like, if you didn't know, you wouldn't freaking know. That's how good this cluster is. Now, obviously, you've got all your gauges and stuff like that, which is great, okay? But the freaking value in these is this right here. That's the only wiring you've got behind this cluster. So whether you're, you know, leaving the truck original, whether you're Coyote swapping it, which most people do, you know, doesn't matter. That's the only wiring that you've got to do to the back of the cluster, and everything else can be off in a different location, like, you know, say the passenger side behind the dash, you know, with the other wiring for the you know, for your swap or whatever. So obviously everything mounts up in the exact same way, and this is the trim bezel here, the original trim bezel. As you can see, this thing is original. Before I get too far, you gotta show off all the part. You got your detailed instructions, all the wiring, sending units, all of that stuff. And again, this is the RTX 67F-PU, which is for 67 to 72 F100s. And then it comes with all of your sending units, all the sending units you need. And then here's your control box right here, which, like I said, you can mount this behind the dash. We'll probably mount it up by the control pack box, so that's going to be super cool. But let's get this thing mounted on the cluster here, on the cluster bezel, and show you how it looks. All right, so I've got the tape off there, and then you just sit your, make sure I got this thing centered. Yeah. And so, like I said, it looks factory. So especially if you're looking for that factory look, this thing is freaking perfect. And then you've got digital readouts down here, turn signals right there, but fuel, battery, temperature, oil. Then you go up to 120 on your speedo, which the factory one only did 100. Odometer and all that down there. But I mean, that looks freaking. And this is why I love Dakota Digital, because if you didn't know this wasn't factory, you wouldn't know it wasn't factory. Can't wait to get this thing hooked up. All right, guys, we're gonna just kind of mock it up.
Screws on just like the old one.
Yeah, that's crazy. Just everything, just, it's like there's no cutting, there's no nothing. That's what's so awesome about these. And the ones that we put in the Fox bodies are the same way. They bolt in, and no BS mounting it. But the reason we're not going to go ahead and mount, you know, officially wired up and fired up, which we will have that coming shortly, is the entire vintage air kit has to go in as well. So once that's in, then we can kind of decide where the box is going to go. But you can see this is a freaking, this is a major project. I can't talk today. Hi, what's up, dude? Yeah, so we're not actually going to go ahead and get it all wired up now, but I did want to show you what it looked like in the truck, because it's going to look sweet. All All right, the official mocking up of the Dakota Digital.
It's funny, it don't look really no different.
No, it really won't. That's what I was saying. Like, if you didn't know it wasn't the original,
Yeah, especially with the surround around it.
that looks freaking. I can't wait to see that thing all lit up.
I've heard there's some power to it. Huh?
Yeah, all LED and everything. That's gonna look amazing. So obviously, guys, once we get it all hooked up and everything, we'll bring you all of that. But we gotta get the vintage air in here and figure all that out. Then we can. Here, I'll come around and show that a little better. Yeah, I get in a little closer so you guys can see the. It looks great, and like I said, without it being lit up, it's kind of hard to tell. But once this thing's got power, like all the.
Yeah, that's when it's really gonna look different.
That's
It
what
don't look much different now, but yeah.
Super bright and easy to read. It's gonna look amazing. But before we can actually mount all of that and get all of that done, all the vintage air's got to get in there. All right, guys, and if you're wondering, yes, the Easy EFI is really pretty nice. Has it finished tuning yet?
It's doing good, yeah.
Yeah, doing all right.
I think it's a little big for the motor.
Yeah.
It's more or less stock motor. So I think it's good for 650 horse. So.
This thing probably makes 150 horse.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
At the moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, it's
You know, that was temporary anyhow.
right. So lots coming, guys. You will be able to actually see this truck in the Stifler's booth at the Holly Ford Fest. So keep an eye out for that. We may or may not have some more goodies. Hopefully,
Hopefully, yeah.
soon.
Hopefully by then.
Yes, hopefully. But yeah, if you're gonna be at the Holly Ford Fest, this truck will be in the Stifler's booth in the Midway. It's gonna be pretty freaking sweet. And then after that, so after it comes back, what are we doing then? So it's coming out, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Yeah, guys. So after that, everything's coming out, and the Coyote and the Roush TVS Supercharger is going on, and I tell you, this thing's gonna be terrifying with 600 and some horsepower. I don't know, maybe more actually.
That'd be plenty.
Yes. Yes, I mean it's fun to drive now. But yeah, guys, that is the what. I know I've been getting a lot of people saying, okay, what's the deal with the truck? All right, it is coming, and I didn't actually show all the fuel system and all that already all done up. But again, guys, that was just temporary for now, just testing out the Easy EFI. But she's coming along. Lots more coming. All right, guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, but I did want to just give you guys a teaser, just a quick teaser. We've got this box here, pretty sizable box, and then we got this box here. We're waiting on another box, but we can't really talk about. No. I promised we wouldn't say anything, so we're not gonna say anything, but you know, while we're doing black truck stuff, we've got other black truck stuff going on too. So lots of truck stuff going on as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying the truck stuff. I freaking love it. If you don't like trucks, then you suck. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. If you enjoyed this video, you like cool F100 with Dakota Digital clusters in it, please big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.